guys, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Sharif Academy. Today I am going to tell you about computer number systems. There are four types of number systems. There are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. In decimal number system, it is represented with base 10, where in base 10 we represent numbers from 0 to 9 but not from 1 to 10. When second comes to binary number, it is represented with base 2, and here we represent the numbers from 0, 1, and it only uses the binary language, that is 0, 1, and it is used in computers, digital watches, and many other things. And third one is octal number, where it is represented with base 8, and it considers from 0 to 7 but not to 0 to 8. Next, it is hexadecimal number, where it comes to from, and it is represented with base 16, where here it comes from 0 to 15, but from 0 to 9 it is common, but from 10 to 15 it is represented with alphabets, that is 10 for A, 11 for B, 12 for C, 13 for D, 14 for E, 15 for F. Now I am going to tell you about the conversions with decimal number. There are three types of conversions, that is decimal to binary conversion, decimal to octal conversion, decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Now I am going to tell you about decimal to hexadecimal conversions. Okay, the question is 125 base 10 is equals to how much of base 2? I'm going to tell you about method 1, that is with 125 we have to divide with 2. Now you can see it here, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, base 1, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 0. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, base 1, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 1s are 2, and 1 is left here, 2 5s are 10, base 1, and 1 is left, 2 7s are 14, and 1 is left, 2 3s are 6, 1 is left, 2 1s are 2, 1 is left. Now here we are going to count from bottom to top. Always remember we have to count here this number too. Many of the people forget by counting this number, so we have to write the number as 1 1 1 1 1 0 1, base 2, and here it is the answer. And in method 2 I am going to tell you here with 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 3, and so on up to 2 power n. Okay, here 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 3 8, 2 power 4 16, 2 power 5 32, 2 power 6 64. Now here we already done with method 1, that is 1 1 1 2 0 1 with base 2. Now here I am going to take direct number 125, where 125 is considered here in it. 64 is needed for making 125. 64 plus 32. What is 64 plus 32? 4 6 7 8 9, 6 7 8 9, 96, and still is needed for making 125. 96 plus 16, 6 plus 6 12, 9 10 11, 112, and here this is also needed, plus 8 120, and this is also needed, and here it is 120. Now we need still 5, that means we need 1 plus 4 plus 1, and here this 2 is not needed, that means 124 plus 1, and here we get the answer 125. And in method 2 without using this you can get it 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 base 2, done, where you can compare here same answers. Okay, now I am going to explain you about decimal to octal conversion. And here the same question arises. 125 base 10 is equals to how much the base of 8. Now I am going to tell you about with method 1, 8. Now I am going to divide 125 with base 8. 8 ones are 8. How much remains? 8. 8 ones are 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 remains. Okay. 8 to 16. And now what is how much? What if I 8 with 8 divides? 8 to 16, 8 to 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40. 5 is 40. 8 6 is 48. But we have to write only 8 5 is 40. Here how much it remains? 5. Okay. Now again divide with 8, but not with 2 nor 16. Here only it is octal conversion, so we have to use 8 again. 8 ones are 8 and 8 to the 16, but here only 15 is included. Here we can't write 8 2s are 16. Okay, so write 8 ones are 8, and how much it accepts here? 7. Okay, now we have to count from bottom to top. That is 1 7 5. Okay, that is with base 8. Never forget to write base 8, or else you don't get marks in exam. So this is method 1. Now I am going to tell you about method 2, where here I have written 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. Now here the 2 power 0 value is 1, 2 power 1 value is 2, 2 power 2 value is 4, 2 power 3 value is 8, 2 power 4 value is 16, 2 power 5 value is 32, 2 power 6 value is 64. Okay, now in this conversion, that is octal conversion. Octal means 8. Here 125, here 125 is required. 125 is required. But in this value, we are going to do is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Yeah. Here in octal conversion, what we have to do is we have to take 3 bit once at a time. 3 bit once at a time. Okay. What you are going to do is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Where you have written in previous conversion, that is from decimal to hexadecimal conversion. You have written as 11101. Now same apply here in it. 1111101. See here 1111 up to 01. Now here you can get it. In the octal conversion, what you have to do it is you have to count from the last, that is from right to left. Okay, now here last 3 digit number, that is 1. 1 is needed. 1 plus 4, 4 is needed. What is the value? 5. Okay, now here by counting this, you have to not count this 8, 16, 32. We have to again take as 1, 2, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 4. Then what's the value? 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. Done. 7 is done, 5 is done. Now again you have to not count as 64. Take the value as 1, 2, 4. Here you don't have any values for 2 and 4. Let you keep 0, 0. Okay. Now count this. 1 plus 0 plus 0. What's the value? 1. And you can get the same answer. 175. Base 8. Okay. Now I am going to tell you decimal to hexadecimal conversion. What is hexadecimal? Hexa means 16. That means you have to divide the given question with 16. 16 something 12. where in this it's actually a bigger number, but we have to do it, where we have to multiply and something like that. 16 into 6 is 36, 6, 16 into 7, 6 is 42, 0, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16 7s are 112, but we can also see 16 into 8 is a 48, 6 is 48, 8 1 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, but here 128 is also present here, but 125 is smaller and 128 is bigger, so we have to prefer 112. So 16 into 7, 112, 112. What is 125 minus 112? How much the value? 122, 3, 13, 7, 1, 3, base 16. Okay, now here in the method 2, where you can see here in it as 2 power 0 1, 2 power 1 2, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 3 8, 2 power 4 16, 2 power 5 32, 2 power 6 64, up to so on up to infinity. Now here in this hexadecimal conversion we have to take 4-bit binary. Okay, in the previous from decimal to binary we have got the number as 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, now from this you have to take 4 numbers, where 8 plus 4, what is the value? 8 plus 4 plus 1, 8 plus 4 12, that is 13. Okay, now here this 4 completed. Now here this 3 is there, but other one you have to consider as 0. 0 means nothing, where you have to write for 4-bit binary. Now here consider, please don't consider 16 32 64, you have to consider the same numbers. Okay, what's the value? 4, this value is 1, this value is 2, this value is 4. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. It is 7 13 by 16. Did you get it? Okay, now next I am going to tell you about the conversions with binary number. There are 3 types of conversions with binary number, that is binary to decimal conversion, binary to octal conversion, binary to hexadecimal conversion. Okay, first I am going to tell you about binary to decimal conversion. Here it is binary number 1 1 1 0 1, where binary number is represented with 0 and 1, with that is with base 2, and here with the base 10. How much is the value? We don't know. Now here I have already wrote the numbers 2 power 0 1 2, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, up to so on to 2 power n, so not to waste time. So here its value 2 power 0 1, 2 power 1 2, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 3 8, so on up to infinity. Okay, now here in it, where what you have to do is write the numbers from right to left. These numbers what you have given 0 and 1, right here 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, what you have to do is, what is this value? 2 power 0 1, 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16, 16 plus 20, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 8 28, 28 plus 1 29, that is 29 base 10. Okay, now I am going to tell you about binary to octal conversion, where in this you have to write the same as of 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power. Now I am going to write again here 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. I am writing again because not to confuse you people. 2 power 0 1, 2 power 2 2, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4 16, 32, 64. Done. Now in this octal conversion, what we have to do is take the at least 3-digit number, the last 3-digit numbers, 3-bit binary. Here 3-bit binary, here 3-bit binary. Okay, consider the numbers. In this you have to write the numbers 1 0 1 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Now here what you have to do is, what is the value here? By 1, what is the value? 1 plus 4, it is 5, it is 5, and this part is completed. Now here what you have to do is, you have to not count 8, 16 and 32. You have to count as these numbers 1, 2 and 4. Okay, here what is the value? 2 plus 1, 3. Then here 5, 3, 5, base 8. It's simple as easy to binary, from binary to octal conversion. Now I am going to tell you binary to hexadecimal conversion. In this binary to hexadecimal conversion, the same question 11101 with base 2 is how much of base 16, where I have written already here to not waste time as 2 power 0 to 2 power n, and I have given the values for 2 power 0 up to infinity. Okay, it is infinity here. Now here what you have to do is, in the octal you have counted from last 3 digits, but in the hexadecimal what you have to do is, you have to count from last 4. What are you seeing here? Now you have to write the question here 1 0 1 1 1, remain it as 0. Okay, now what's the value here? 1 plus 4 plus 8. What's the value for only this part? Because it is 4-bit binary, because it is hexadecimal, so you have to take only 4 numbers, that is 4-digit numbers. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. Okay, here the same value comes here 1 2 4 8. What is the value here? 1. Here it comes the number with 113 base 16. Now generally in hexadecimal number from 0 to 9, it is generally represented from 0 commonly as 0 to 9, but from 10 to 15, yeah, it is represented from A, B, C, D, E, F. Now here the 1 is represented as P, and 3 here it is represented. The final answer is B, 3, because in hexadecimal number 0 to 9 is same, but after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 10 is represented with alphabet A, 11 is represented with alphabet B, 12 C, 13 with D, 14 with E, 15 with F. Here it completes with binary to hexadecimal conversion. And the last conversions are octal to hexadecimal conversion, hexadecimal to octal conversion. Now here I am going to tell you about octal to hexadecimal conversions. Now firstly write 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6 up to 2 power n. Now its values are 2 power 0 1, 2 power 1 2, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 3 8, 2 power 4 16, 2 power 5 32, 2 power 6 64, up to same up to infinity. Now in this what you have to do is, the given question you have to write separately 1 2 3 so as to not confuse. Okay, now here what you have to do is, here you need to know the values of 1 2 3, where 1 value is 0 0 0 for 3 bit, and 2 value is 0 0 1, 3 value is 0 1 0. 4 value is 0 1 0 0, and so on. In next video you will be knowing about this. The one value is 0 0 1, sorry, 0 0 1. 0 value is 0 0 0, okay, and 2 value is 0 1 0. 3 value is 0 1 1, okay. 2 value is 0 1 0. 3 value is 0 1 1. Now with these three, write together 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1, okay. It is in binary form. Now what you have to do is you have to convert in hexadecimal form, okay. In hexadecimal form, what you have to do is you have to count from last 4 digits. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, okay. 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. Next what you have to do is 1 1 0 1 1 0 0. The value for 1 1 0 0 is, you have to see, you can see it here, 1 plus 2 3. Next you have to take only these values, okay. What's these values? 1 plus 4 5 53 base 16. Done. Here the last and final is hexadecimal to octal conversion, and here I have created the question as A B 7 base 16 is how much equal to base 8. Now generally write the octal numbers from 0 to 15, then you get the correct answer. Now what you have to do is write that now what you have to do is separate the numbers A B 7. Now A value in hexadecimal is 10, but in 4 digit binary number it is 1010, and in the B it is 11. You have to write the number as 1011, and the 7 value is 0111, okay. Now with these three of them, write together 1010 1011 0111, okay, with base 2. Now you have to convert with octal. In octal what you have to do is you have to take from last 3 digits, separate with last 3 digits, and 3 digits. Now here what you have to do is, its value is 2 power 0 1, 2 power 1 2, 2 power 2 it's 4, okay. Now 4 plus 2 plus 1, its value is 7, okay. Now same apply for here with these three numbers, 1 2 4. 4 plus 2, its value is 4 plus 2, its value is 6, and 0 1 0. Same apply here, 4 plus 2 plus 0. 4 and 1 adds 0. Now the expected one is 2. Right here 2. Now here 1 0 1. 4 plus 1, that is 5. The answer is 5267 with base 8. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to Sharif Academy. If you like it, please share it.